to today's video. I'm going to show you how I created this lavender wig. Lavender is known for inducing a calm and relaxed state, so I wanted to create a nice relaxing video in my ASMR Michelle Fawn voice. I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. The color I'm going to be using today is the Arctic Fox Purple Rain. This is a dark purple, so I'm only using a drop in a lot of conditioner to dilute it to create that nice lavender shade.
My memory finally came back.
This is the wig I'm going to be using today. It's a full lace 613 wig. Now I'm just going to take the colored conditioner and work it into the hair in small sections.
If you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky.
Now that all the color is on the wig, I'm just going to leave it to sit for about 30 minutes before I rinse it off. And this is what the hair looks like after it's been washed. So I just combed it out and then I let it air dry. And this is what the hair looks like once it's dried. It dried with this really pretty natural wavy texture. So I'm just cutting off a little bit of the ends to create a nice bob shape. And if you notice the hair is looking a little bit greasy, that's because even though I washed it literally 3 times, I still couldn't get all the conditioner out of it. So I hope you can please excuse that.
Please, don't worry so much. Because in the end, none of us live very long on this earth.
I'm creating some pin curls near the front of the face to create that nice romantic Marilyn Monroe inspired look. With the rest of the hair, I'm using my wand to create some loose waves. Now this is what the curls look like with the pins all out. So now it's ready to put on. So here I am with my little wig cap, and this is what it looks like once the wig was on. So I wasn't really feeling the bob length. I thought the curls might look better if I had a little updo. So I kind of played around with some of the hair up and some pieces near the front to give it that like tousled look. You know what I'm saying? And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching.